To learn more about Sesame Street, visit us at pbskids.org. Sesame Street is brought to you by the following.
America Online is proud to support Sesame Street. No two kids are alike, but what they all share is endless curiosity. AOL helps kids find new things to be curious about every day. America Online. Never stop learning.
SpaghettiOs plus calcium pasta. With as much calcium as a glass of milk. Proudly sponsors Sesame Street. Connecting strong bodies to strong minds.
Sesame Street is brought to you by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and viewers like you. Thank you.
Don't miss the fun. There's more to come on WETA Kids.
Have you heard of Sagwa, the shiny Siamese cat, and her adventurous life with her friends, including a bat? There's Shigwa and Dongwa, a foolish magistrate, too. Oh, did we mention that funny bat's name? It's Fufu. So come with Sagwa as she explores in a faraway palace, an action-filled world that's in China, not Dallas. You're sure to love Sagwa. This cat's got it all.
Sagwa, you're the best friend.
Monday through Friday on WETA Kids. Hey, what you watching? WETA Kids, of course. Local broadcast of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood is made possible in part by WETA members and by the Homer and Martha Godelski Family Foundation.
The people who give the money to make Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood are the people who contribute to this and other public television stations, and the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.